Welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to download voice messages from Messenger. So guys, as you can see, I have a voice message over here. So if you want to download this one over here, as you can see, when you right click on it, you should have an option over here, inspect. So go ahead and tap on it. Now from here, we could just simply adjust it. Now from here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the network over here, and you will have an option over here, media. Now here, if there are no result, you would just simply go ahead and select restart over here. Now once you have restarted it, you should have the clip over here, and now you could just simply select the specific clip. And now when you double click on it, as you can see, it will automatically be downloaded, and you will have your voice message over here. And when I play on it, as you can see, this is the voice message that I sent. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.